How to clear cache on iPhone on Instagram application. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on the general option and then tap on the iPhone storage option. Further, scroll down and you will see the option for Instagram. Tap on it and then tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app. Offloading the app will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. See if that helps you in clearing the cache, and if not, then on your home screen, tap hold on the Instagram application and then tap on the remove app option and then on delete app and then on delete. Delete the Instagram application completely from your device and then reinstall it again, and doing this will help you in clearing your cache too. And if that does not help too, then you can simply go ahead and try to restart your iPhone, as a simple restart helps in fixing and clearing majority of minor caches on your iPhone. So these were a few ways on how you can clear Instagram cache on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.